Hey there, welcome to this video on setting up AWS CLI on macOS. By the end of this video, you will learn how to install AWS CLI on macOS, how to upgrade AWS CLI if it's already installed, how to configure AWS CLI using access key and secret key. Step 1. Install AWS CLI on macOS. Open your web browser. Search for AWS CLI installation. Navigate to the official AWS documentation. Under AWS CLI install and update instructions, select macOS. Step 2. Install AWS CLI via command line. Choose the command line installer, all users option. Copy the installation command from the AWS documentation. Open Terminal on your Mac. Paste and run the command. If AWS CLI is already installed, an upgrade will be performed automatically. Step 3. Configure AWS CLI. Now, let's configure AWS CLI with our access key and secret key for an S3 IAM user. Open Terminal. Run the following command. Enter the following details when prompted. AWS access key ID, paste your access key. AWS secret access key, paste your secret key. Default region name, enter your region. I'm using Ohio region, which US East 2. Default output format, press enter to keep it as JSON. Recap. In this lesson, we installed AWS CLI on macOS, upgraded AWS CLI if it was already installed, configured AWS CLI using IAM access key and secret key. I'll see you in the next video.